Are you struggling to get enough conversions from your Google Ads? So let's see some pro tips to improve your Google Ads. Let's move on to tip number 1. Tip number 1 is extension. Extension is to extend the information. There are different formats of extension like callout extension, location extension, site link extension, additional text and more. Adding extension increases the click-through rate, and click-through rate is one of the key factors affecting quality score. So higher the click-through rate, higher the quality score is. Tip number 2 is keywords. Keywords are the backbone of your ad. So be more specific in choosing keywords to increase the targeted audience. So try using phrase match and exact match so as to avoid the unnecessary click. Tip number 3 is landing page. Landing page is basically the page that people land on after clicking your ad. This page has only one goal and one focus: to get more people to convert. Let's move on to tip number 4. Tip number 4 is remarketing campaign. Setting up a remarketing campaign can have a great impact on return on investment. And this is a cost-effective technique, and it really helps people to recall your brand.